Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this 2-in-1 air duster and vacuum cleaner. That's a very new trend in 2023 that we have this combination in this product, and it absolutely makes sense because we just need one battery, we just need one motor. Maybe we can even share the equipment, one box of course. So for me, absolutely makes sense, but I've never tried one, so I wanted to give it a try. So let's take it out of the box and see if this really works. And so here's the packaging with some description and here the specs. And so let's open and take everything out, see what we get. Here we get some kind of a hose. Never seen that with either blower or vacuum, but let's see, maybe we'll find out how we can use that. And here we have a very short instructions manual. Hope you can see everything. This could help you also to make a better buy decision. Then we get the main device, pretty heavy, of course, with a large battery. You have to remove this sticker or protection that it doesn't turn on. Then even some instructions here that we have to press for 3 seconds to turn it on. And then the vacuum cleaner part. Yeah, looks like a normal vacuum cleaner. We can open that. It's a little bit hard to open, but it works. So we can take out the filter. Outside it's a metal filter. Inside there's some fabrics. I would say standard material. It looks like we cannot take it apart. The question is then how to clean it. You have been reading the instructions and there is nothing about if you can use it with water, but for me it looks like we can rinse it with water. I have already a couple of similar filters and usually I wash them with some high pressure water and usually there is nothing going to happen, so I think it's safe to do that. What's also good that the vacuum comes with this flap here, which automatically closes when we turn it off, so the dirt stays inside. Of course, it's not a very large dust and dirt compartment. We'll probably have to empty it a lot, but yeah, at least we have something. And then we can charge it with any Usbc cable. I've checked with the charger. It shows 2 amps charge, really fast. It's hard to see any kind of LED for charging. There's a little bit here inside. I don't know if this is the thing, but it's super hard to see. But I mean, the charge will stop anyway when it's full. By the way, it's not recommended to use it while charging. So for using, we remove the charge again. So we get different nozzles. These ones are probably more for dusting, these for cleaning, these ones for inflating. So we can even inflate some inflatable things like some swim equipment, toys and so on. So let's turn it on and see how powerful this is. Let's first use it as a duster. So we push this thing here inside. I think it doesn't have a thread or so. We just push and rotate at the same time a little bit. It has a very safe hold, I would say. So we press for a couple of seconds here and then the light turns. And then, yeah, you have seen that the light turned on and it started to blow. And it's blowing really strong, but of course it's also very loud. But it's not uncomfortable or so. I definitely don't have to use earplugs or so. This is also very good. You can hear it, but it's not like in an uncomfortable range. But what I've seen, there is no indication. I mean, we have 3 different levels of blowing. I think we have also different levels of vacuum, but there is no LED, no LCD, no nothing where we could see anything. But I mean, we don't need that actually. When it's working, then you will feel it. And what's also really good that we have this light here. This can be also very helpful. By the way, what I just noticed is here on the side we have this opening, so we can check the LED light actually here. We don't have to guess it from here. There's really a little bit of an opening, not much, but we can see it much better here. And to use it as a vacuum, we have to turn this thing here counterclockwise, remove it, and apply the vacuum part here in the back, lock it. And so we have a lock towards the front and a lock towards the back, and when everything is straight, then the vacuum is also straight. And these parts definitely fit for the vacuum part, so it goes like that. And so let's turn it on again and see if we can suck in some things. Okay, let's turn it off. And so you can see it's not coming out. It's safe even after removing this nozzle. And we removed the whole part here and remove that, and everything is here, and we can put everything into the trash bin. Yeah, worked really nice. And works also directly with this nozzle here. So really nice. We have everything here inside, safe, cannot go out. And now I tried also the duster outside on this fan. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't show you how this looked, but I can tell you it was absolutely terrible. It was full of dust, especially here in the back. And this duster removed everything here without opening it. Already on first speed it removed about 80 or 90% of the dust, and then I increased to the maximum speed and it blew everything away. Absolutely nice and clean again, something which I wanted to do already since very long time. And finally it's done. So everything works. I'm super happy with it. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. And I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.